Hello and welcome to Song Nation TV. Now, I'm on the M5 currently, and I'm on my way to a drive out. And this is the third time I've attempted to film a video about my hybrid racing short shifter. It's been annoying. We tried to do a how-to video, that went tits up as you'd imagine. Not the installation. The installation was actually really easy. It was more the camera angles that I managed to set the cameras up at. Ed and I both blocked the cameras off with our heads, so not the best thing in the world. Then I took this car out solo along those B roads that I love so much, and you know, when I took the cameras off and looked at the footage, it was shit. So tonight I'm going to meet up with some of the lads for a drive out, and I thought, what better place to talk to you people about this hybrid racing short shifter than having a hoon on a drive out. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm being a bit naughty with the lights on, but this shifter is fucking incredible. Hybrid Racing have done an amazing fucking job of this shifter. Now, yeah, I'm on a drive out and I'm having to concentrate on the road that I'm on, and I'm definitely not even close to being the fastest car here or the fastest driver. I would say I am the slowest driver on the drive out tonight, so good times. You know, let's just drop down third. There we go. So I've got this hybrid racing shifter set at oh, there's a dead bird. Set at the number 2 setting for front and back and left to right, which is the tightest setting for the shifter. The reason why is because I like a nice tight short shifter, and this is beautifully tight. If I was a better driver, I'd be able to take full advantage of it, but I'm not a better driver, and currently I'm a driver that thought he was good and has lost most of his confidence, and I'm slowly trying to build that back. At the moment, it's not going too well. But this shifter deserves a better person than me shifting it. It's that good. It's absolutely incredible. I'm literally blown away by how good it is. I mean, dropping down to third there, it's just so short, and having the height adjustment, having it in the palm of my hand is excellent. I'm really enjoying the ability of you know, wanting to drive outside of my capabilities, and that's what a gear shifter like this does. It makes you want to, well, it makes you think race car immediately, and no matter how much I make the Accord a race potential car, I've got a lot of catching up to do. And here we go, second. I mean a lot of catching up to do. My driving ability, my confidence in my driving ability is the lowest it's ever been, and I mean that. It's the lowest it's ever been. Yeah, you know, I'm still here. I'm trying to put in a good shift. If I can, I will. But you know, my car is really benefiting from having this hybrid racing short shifter, having my JDM EP3 Momo steering wheel, which is definitely an upgrade on the standard Accord steering wheel, and having my Yellow Speed Racing Pro Dynamic coilovers, which really have, you know, I mean, those are my hard race rear camber arms. You know, it's echoing the ability of the chassis of the car, and then the entertainment, the drama of driving the car is held here by the shifter. It really is. I really wish that my confidence was higher than it is right now, so I could really give it some welly, but it isn't there. It hasn't been for a little while, and it's getting back. It is getting back, but you know, this is a true test. But hybrid racing, phenomenal. I bought the shifter from Exo Racing, you know, our main channel sponsor, and I've coveted it for so long. I've looked at it and gone, that's what I want. I've wanted that forever. Let me do my window up just in case that's causing an issue with sound. See, you get carried away. You're driving in the moment. Something's going on, so I wonder what's happening. It's just a check to make sure everybody is here, I think. Which we are. But yeah, I mean, Exo Racing, go there for your hybrid racing shifter for sure. You know, and hybrid racing make them for all Hondas. They really do. Oh, look at that shift! Ah! And then third, yes please. And fourth. Oh. The shifter is better than me. And it really is. And this is the road conditions now are getting a little wet, and to be perfectly honest, that's a little bit more my role. I think I drive better in the wet than I do the dry. I don't know why, I just kind of feel I do. But you know, this shifter is stunning. It really is. The way my car is driving is amazing. This is the best the Accord's ever felt to drive. And having the shifter here, the engagement that I get from the shifter is incredible. The way the suspension is very much in line with the chassis is incredible. Cattle grid, here we go. Let's just, I'm not going to slow down a lot for it. Oh, there wasn't, oh, here it is, yeah. Let's drop down to third. Because this is a corner that I've lost it on before, and I know you can't see it, and there's a reason for that. I wanted the camera, I've got two cameras, I wanted one on the gear shifter and one on me. Oh, here we go, third, fourth. Absolutely incredible. But yeah, I mean, I've only got two cameras. I wanted the shifter to get the highlight. You know, and my face. I mean, is it better than where I'm driving? No, but it is where I'm driving. So when I can afford 3 cameras and I have software that I can easily edit 3 cameras worth, then you'll get that. But honestly, the engagement factor, as I started talking about and then we stopped, the engagement factor of having a shifter like this and having this steering wheel and just the car performing in the way that it's performing is absolutely incredible. It really is. Just every shift is a dream. Like, I'm in third, fourth. Bit of a hazard warning there. Go back to third. It suits how I like to shift. It's just a shame that, you know, my control of a car at the moment isn't what it used to be. And you know, I've said that a couple of times in this video, and that's because I'm driving on a challenging road right now. And you know, I'm not last, but I wanted to position myself near the back because I have lost confidence. Here we go. It's an extremely enjoyable shifter. It really, really, really is. Anybody with a Honda, it's all about shifts, isn't it? If you haven't turbocharged it or supercharged it, it's all about shifting and VTEC, and you've got to get a hybrid racing short shifter. You've just got to do it. It makes sense to do it. I'm blown away. I think it's an incredible, incredible bit of kit, and I'm very, 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 very happy to be able to use it in my car. I'm very, very happy to have bought it. I think it was an amazing decision on my behalf to finally pull the trigger on it after Kim, especially Kim from Exo Racing, Kim and Matt have both sort of, you know, kind of gone, well, you need to get one. And I'm like, yeah, no, I really want one. I've coveted it for ages. But finally, I've done it. And let's listen to some exhausts, shall we? I mean, mainly you're getting my exhaust. Oh, the shifts, man, the shifts. The shifts outdo my driving by a long way. Oh, honestly, even in this reduced confidence state on a technical road, I'm still enjoying myself massively. And that's the most important thing, isn't it? Yeah, I'm not the fastest driver here, but I can feel like I am because I've got a short shifter that feels absolutely incredible. And it does, it feels stunning. Oh, here we go, I'm lagging behind. I'm very happy behind the wheel of this car. I really am. Even with, you know, me not driving to the limit, I'm more than happy sat here in my driving seat. Yeah, I want to upgrade the seats, but whatever. But you know, sat here driving this car, I'm comfortable. I really am, and it's engaging, it's fun, it's everything that you want when you're driving a car. You want to enjoy it, you want the drama, you want the theatre of driving a car. Even if you're not driving fast, you want to feel like you've got the ability to drive fast. And having something that is more than up to the job really helps with that. Having quality stuff that you can touch is 100% something. Pulling in. Anyway, I think that's as good a place as any to end the video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been the rantings of a madman, but when isn't it? Whether it's two madmen or just one. Ultimately, subscribe, turn on notifications, like, do all that. Find us on social media if you really want to. Links to where you can buy a hybrid racing shifter from Exo Racing in the description. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that.